When we were in 22-1, we were talking about measures of central tendency, which is the mean, the median, and the mode. With measures of variation, we've got range, standard deviation, variance, and several others that we won't talk about in this class, but they are available. So let's first look at number 1. Calculate the range for the following. The range is simply taking the largest data point and subtracting the smallest data point from it. So we look through the list of numbers. Our largest is a 58. Our smallest is a 5. Subtract the 2, and we get a range of 53. So it's a pretty simple calculation. For number 2, we're going to calculate the standard deviation for that given sample set of data. Note that it is a sample. Because it's a sample, when we calculate the standard deviation, we're going to subtract 1. But first, let's calculate the mean. We add all the numbers together, 113 plus 92 plus 77 plus 125 plus 110 plus 193 and plus 111. Divide by 7, and we're going to get 103. In order to calculate the standard deviation, we need to take each data point, subtract the mean from it, and then we're going to square it. So the first data point is 113. We take 113, subtract 103, the mean, that leaves us with 10. 10 squared, 10 times 10, is 100. We do this for each data point. We've got 92, we subtract 103, get a negative 11. 11 squared is going to leave us with 121. 77 minus 103 equals negative 26 squared is 676. 125 minus the mean of 103 leaves us with 22. 22 squared is 484. 110 minus the mean leaves us with 7. 7 squared is 49. 93 minus 103 is a negative 10. 10 squared is 100. And finally, 111 minus the mean leaves us with an 8. 8 squared is 64. So we total all of those squared numbers. It's going to leave us with 1,594. So 1,594 divided by the number of data points, 7 minus 1, since it's a sample, leaves us with 265.66 repeating. To find the standard deviation, we're going to take the square root of that 265.66 repeating number, and we are left with 16.3 for a standard deviation. The variance is the 265.66 repeating. So we've actually calculated 2 numbers of variation for this statistics problem.